Did you know that most diseases start in your gut? It might sound surprising, but the health of your gut directly impacts your energy levels, immune system, mental health, and even longevity. Imagine waking up every day feeling light, energized, and free from nagging discomfort. Your gut could be the key. In today's video, we'll explore the vital connection between gut health and overall wellness. We'll also share a simple recipe to detoxify and rejuvenate your gut, one that can help transform your health from the inside out. Let's get started. Your gut is more than a digestive system. It's often called the second brain. It contains a vast network of over 100 million nerve cells working independently to regulate digestion, produce hormones, and communicate with the brain. This connection, known as the gut-brain axis, influences your mood, focus, and mental well-being. Here's something fascinating. Around 90% of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, is produced in the gut. If you've been feeling down or anxious, poor gut health might be the root cause. Studies have shown that a balanced gut can lead to reduced stress and better emotional health. An unhealthy gut can lead to a host of problems. Common issues like bloating, indigestion, and irregular bowel movements may seem minor, but they can signal deeper imbalances. These imbalances can trigger inflammation, a factor linked to chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. One major issue is dysbiosis, where harmful bacteria outnumber the good. This imbalance can slow your metabolism, lead to food cravings, and weaken your immune system. In severe cases, toxins from poor digestion can enter the bloodstream, causing fatigue and other systemic issues. Certain foods can wreak havoc on your gut. Here are the biggest offenders. Processed meats, hard to digest and loaded with preservatives. Refined sugars. These feed harmful bacteria, disrupting your gut's balance. Dairy products, some, especially high-fat varieties, can cause fermentation in the gut. Ultra-processed foods. These often contain additives that harm gut flora. Avoiding or minimizing these foods can make a significant difference in your digestion and overall health. Thankfully, many foods can restore gut health and keep it thriving. Here are the essentials. First, fiber-rich foods. Whole grains, vegetables, and legumes promote smooth digestion and fuel beneficial bacteria. Next, probiotics, found in yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods like sauerkraut. Probiotics replenish good bacteria. Prebiotics are also key. Ingredients like garlic, onions, and bananas help probiotics flourish. And don't forget fresh raw foods. Fruits and vegetables rich in enzymes make digestion easier. Research shows that incorporating more fiber and probiotics into your diet can reduce the risk of inflammation-related diseases by nearly 40%. Here's a simple recipe to detoxify your gut and support digestion. Ingredients: 1 glass of warm water, about 250 milliliters, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon organic apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: slightly warm the water. Stir in flax seeds and chia seeds. Let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes until it thickens. Add lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and honey. Stir well. Drink this elixir on an empty stomach about 30 minutes before breakfast. This drink combines ingredients that soothe the gut, reduce inflammation, and promote better digestion. For best results, try it daily for a month, then reduce to a few times a week. When you prioritize gut health, you're not just improving digestion. Here's what you can expect: better energy. Your body absorbs nutrients more effectively. Stronger immunity. A healthy gut supports over 70% of your immune system. Clearer skin. Reduced inflammation often leads to fewer skin issues. Improved mood. With higher serotonin production, you'll feel calmer and happier. Weight balance. A balanced gut helps curb cravings and boosts metabolism. The journey to better gut health begins with small, consistent changes. Start by incorporating fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and prebiotics into your meals. Drink the gut healing elixir to give your digestive system a fresh start. Want to take it one step further? Try keeping a food diary to track which foods make you feel your best and which ones may cause discomfort. It's a simple way to understand what works for your unique system. If you're ready to transform your gut health, write, "I'm ready" in the comments below. Let's encourage each other on this path to better health. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Everyone deserves to feel their best. If you found this content helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip that could change your life. Thank you for spending time with me today. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation for a happy, energized, and fulfilling life. Small changes can lead to big results. Take care of your gut and it will take care of you. See you in the next video.